guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun Dollar Tree DIY for you. We're going to be making a pair of Glam tea light holders. And so what I have here is a pair of candlestick holders from Dollar Tree. And then I have a pair of these little canisters here, glass canisters. And these actually come with like a little top on it. But when I picked these up last year, I used the top for an apothecary that I created. And I'll go ahead and link the apothecaries that I created using the lids from this. I'll link that so you guys can check that video out. But anyway, I held on to the jars themselves for another time. And so I'm going to be using them on this project. So you'll need a couple of these little containers from Dollar Tree. And while I was at Walmart recently, I picked up some of this clear tacky glue. I may or may not use this. This is my first time ever using this, so I just want to kind of play around with it a little bit. So I may or may not use this. It's optional. Instead, you can always use hot glue. And then, of course, I have some of these really pretty gemstones here. I picked up from Walmart. Again, you can find these depending on your location. You can find them at Dollar Tree. And then I picked up some more of these little gemstones, just some various gemstones that I picked up at Walmart as well. But that's what you'll need for this project, so let's get started. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get started with the project by, in this glass, you can see that there's some ridge detailing on it. So wherever there's a ridge detailing on it, I'm simply going to run a bead of these gemstones there, or gemstones to cover that, so that we can really bling this out. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that. Now you can use something with ridge detail like this if you like, or you can just use a simple glass that has just like a smooth surface, but it's up to you. And I'm still just covering this with some of this Glam Bling ribbon here. The peel and stick kind. It's so easy. And the self-adhesive gemstones, they're so easy to use. And I'm just going right around this top edge. Just like that. See how pretty this is? This is turning out so beautifully. And so now what I'm going to do is start putting some gemstones on here as well. Now you can use some diamond wrap that's on a roll if you'd like to use that, or you can just continue using these gemstones, and it's entirely up to you. And I'm just basically going right around this portion of it with some of the gemstones. Alright, so I've gone ahead and added some of the little gemstones here. I'm going to be adding some more down here as well, right in here. Now, I think for the neck of this, it needs a little bit of a glam look as well. So I'm going to take out some of my diamond wrap from Dollar Tree as well. Okay, and so now I'm finished with blinging out the candle holder portion of the tea light holder, and then I've gone ahead and finished up the base. Now I'm just going to go ahead and attach this with just a little bead of hot glue. This is super easy to do, just like that. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.